Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and thank you all for clicking on today's video. So in today's house to home vlog, we're going to be organizing my refrigerator, and it's going to be broken up into two parts. So the first part, I'm going to show y'all how it looks, and then we're going to clean it. And then the second part, we're going to go out and get some food to put in it, because I need to get some produce and stuff to juice, and then we're going to organize it and put it all back in the refrigerator. So yes, that's on the to-do list today, to clean, organize, and go food shopping for the refrigerator. So yes, let's get into it, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. And here is how the refrigerator looks. It's messy. It's a bit messy. Let me give you a close-up. All right, so yeah, everything is just everywhere. And like I said, I didn't clean it beforehand, so yeah, it's like we're gonna get it all cleaned. The celery is still here. Yeah, it's just a bunch of ginger. I like my onions in the refrigerator. But yeah, this is just like, we gotta go through all of this stuff. You gotta go through all of this stuff. And yeah, and I took the shelf out, and I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it back. I gotta find it, but I'm gonna put it back. I don't remember what I had going on in the summer, but yeah, that's why it looks like this. Like Samira old food that been here in there for over a week. Some feta cheese back there. Yeah, we gotta get it together.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second, and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Right, every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes, but baby.
Wait guys, look at that. I don't even know what this is. Like, it's so disgusting. Like, I took that tray out, you couldn't see none of that. Like, oh, I'm gonna have to get the bleach. This is disgusting. All that was under the tray. I haven't cleaned this out since the summer. Yeah, exactly. Ew. You need to clean the refrigerator more often.
Why does it become my problem? I walked through.
Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. Love of mine.
Don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just
Good job.
I'm looking at my thank you text.
Good job. Text?
Come here.
Oh, from here. I'm talking about good job cleaning the mirror, the glass.
I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind, rewind, rewind.
Alright guys, I'm finally all done. It just took me forever, but you seen, like, once you start moving stuff, you see the real deal. Like, it's a hot mess. It was a hot mess. It's all good now. I added the 4th shelf back, and I do have like liners like to put on there so it don't scratch the glass up, because I feel like I have a scratch over here. Y'all might not can't see it, but yeah, we're gonna do that. But before we do that, the next step, which I think is like the 3rd step, is to clean everything. So I'm gonna wipe down and go through all of this stuff, like stuff that I'm keeping, the stuff that's trash, the stuff that I am keeping. I'm gonna wipe down and put it back in the refrigerator so we could go shopping, like food shopping. I wish I was going regular shopping.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you.
Alright, so here's how it looks so far. Yes, we love our margaritas here. Creamer, green stuff. I'm gonna leave that for cheese. I gotta go with some cheese. That is cheese. Oh shoot, that need to move. And then this is all condiments. So like the tacos, jerk seasoning, salsas, mayonnaise, ketchup, barbecue sauce, salad dressings. And yeah, I just brought all of this stuff in the house that I got from the Container Store. I'm gonna lay it out, wash it out, and figure out what we're gonna use and put it in here. That's the next step, to lay these out in here how I want them. Alright, so here is everything that I got. I feel like I need more. Like, I got these things from the Container Store. I think these came from the Container Store. These onion tomato things as well, maybe the butter dish, but these came from like Home Goods, Marshalls, yeah. And I think this stuff is like from Target, and this was like from just Amazon. So yeah, I feel like I need more of those. But again, this is a 2-piece set, so I might not need it. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm gonna wash all of these out and then figure out how I'm gonna lay it out in the refrigerator. Alright guys, so I'm back. It's the next day and my camera did die once we got outside to get some groceries. So yeah, I did get a small clip that I'll insert here. Alright guys, so here's the second part of the video. We're about to get some groceries and yeah, I gotta hurry up because Kennedy has to go to gymnastics. But yeah, we also did go to Home Goods as well, and I got some more containers because once I started putting them in there, it just wasn't enough. The refrigerator was too big. I didn't have enough containers. So I went and got some more, and I'll show you guys what I got because this is what Home Goods had now, not what they had then. So yeah. Alright, so these are the storage bins I got now. These two have lids. This one is, let me lift it up. This one is a 4-way like divider. You can like change it out if you want to. Yeah, this is the how it looks. Yeah, you can just swap it out if you want to. And then I got these two things that's stackable. Y'all already seen these, and I just got these. I don't even know if I need them, but yeah, I got these like little ones. We'll see. They might go back, but yeah, whatever I don't use from these, they're gonna go back. But hopefully I can use all of them because like they stack and I could like maximize more room in the refrigerator. So that's another good thing you want to do. Always stack stuff on top of stuff so you can maximize your space. That even goes for like in my garage. All right guys, so this is how it looks. I'll show you what I'm gonna put in all of those. I'm gonna put our juices and stuff right here. This is slices of cheese. This just slides out. The slices of cheese, and here's the eggs. I grab this every morning for the kids. Oh, here's the liners. I put the liners in here and I cut them to the length of my refrigerator. And here's the 4-way where again it's adjustable. Oh, and nobody talks about how to get like the adhesive off of here, guys. Like I had to learn the hard way, but nail polish remover definitely worked because I was ready to return them all. But anyway, this is the stackable bins. It's only 2. These don't have lids, and these 2 have lids, and those are stackable. So yeah, that's like that. And then these, I'm not sure what I'm putting in these yet, but again, those are good for produce. So in here, this would be like onions. Yes, I put my onions in the refrigerator. I don't cry as much when I'm cutting them. And then green pepper and I think lemons. And then this drawer, I always put our meats in, but I'm gonna separate them this time. So it'll be like our sausages, hot dogs, Samir hot dogs, and my raw meat, and then like our breakfast meats, because I always put like the meat in here to defrost for the next day. And then probably put a bunch of the kids snacks. You see, it's like some residue from the sticker. Not sure if I'm keeping these, but yeah, gotta figure out what I'm putting in here. But yeah, I also got this onion and tomato thing. Not sure if I'm gonna need it, but, and I got this butter dish. I think I want a different one, but we'll see. So let's get to cleaning the fruit and organizing it. And here's the veggie wash that I will be using.
We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You're such a sensitive guy. When your friends are hurting, you make sure to stick around. But when it comes to me, you don't wanna know. Yeah, every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? Help me the way I help you. Oh yeah, the way I help you. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. Yeah. Just be my parachute. Oh, why don't you help me?
Alright guys, so I'm finally done and this is the finished product. Ta-da! here is how everything looks. So I switched some things around. So we got the carrots up here, the strawberries in there because we had a lot today, broccoli in there. Here's all of our beverages. Some of them are in the pantry because we like them room temperature, like our waters. Here's some pears, the string beans, and some avocados. I'm missing a tray right here that I just want to put in our HelloFresh meals here. I could put this like this, just to make room for like any leftover containers that we might have, but I'm gonna just leave that like that for right now. Our eggs, I had a few extra eggs, so I put them in here with the cheese, so I'll make those eggs first. I put the kale in here, and most of this stuff down here like this is for juicing. So this is all the celery, all the cucumbers, all the kale, and I could just like literally pop this out. This kids' oranges are oranges, and apples for juicing. Yeah, this side has lids, but these containers fit so much food, it don't even make no sense. They fit a lot. So right here we have our Brussels sprouts and our grapes. The grapes probably need to come to the front, but yeah. Then right here we have our onions, green peppers, or you know, peppers, and our lemons. Like I said, I like my onions in the refrigerator because cold onions make you cry less. Then here I broke the meat drawer up into breakfast meats. So these is the kids' turkey, this is our bacon, our hot dogs, and usually we have hot sausages here. And I also put like any meats I want to thaw out for the day that I took out the refrigerator. I'll put it in its own container and leave it here like that. Yeah, so that's that. And then this drawer is, I feel like, mainly the kids' drawer. These are my avocado cups. They're Lunchables. They have some other type of snack, protein snacks back there. String cheese, applesauce, yogurts. But yeah, we're trying these. I'm not sure if I'm going to eat them, but yeah, all of our condiments are on this side. And then here's a this is 2 half-peeled onions and a tomato. It's some extra butter back here and some fresh parsley. And then that is the butter that's used. Over here, this is basically cheese. There's some like more cheese back there, but yeah, we got room for more cheese. These are our other beverages, milks, and this is our margarita stuff. Yeah, guys, but this is how it turned out. But yeah, guys, this refrigerator should have been organized last year with our pantry organization video that me and Samira did. I will pop like a card up top so you can click on, so you can check that video out. It'll also be linked down in the description box as well, so you can check that out as soon as you're done this video. But as always, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video, guys. Bye.